As a full HD camcorder, the Sony CX405 definitely delivers. It boasts an Exmor-R CMOS sensor and a powerful Bionz X processor. It is also equipped with Carl Zeiss 30x optical zoom lens and optical steady shot image stabilization. How much is the Sony CX405? This full HD 60p camcorder from Sony has a selling price of $229.99. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. Taking high-definition 1920 by 1080 60p videos using the Sony CX405 is not the only thing that it's good for. It gives users more control over the outcome of the videos they have recorded, since it supports XAVC S recording and also allows dual recording of AVCHD and MP4 formats. Here's our conclusion. The Sony CX405 HD Handycam is without a doubt a handy camera to have with you on every occasion and adventure. Thanks for checking out our review. To find out more about this product, click on the link below this video now.